Hey guys, I'm going to set up a stereo, and I'm going to set it up to look real good. So the first thing I want is a large wood chest. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I had in mind. Perfect. I'm hoping there's an outlet behind it. Oh awesome, there is. Okay, we need an amplifier. Ah, great, that'll work. And a DVD player too. That'll be a CD player. Okay, let's deal with these cables first. Turn this unit around. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 speakers, so left and right channels. This speaker wire isn't color coded, so I'm gonna just tie one of them on both ends and that'll be red. Okay. I'll hook up a mini jack to stereo RCAs into this CD input. And I'll put a fiber optic cable into DVD input. And that's what's gonna be my CD player. Perfect. I'll have CD as the DVD input and auxiliary as the CD input. Just a little confusing, the way I like it. Okay, probably want a couple big speakers now. Okay, yeah, that is looking good. I'll hook up the speaker wires to those now. Okay, hey, it looks done, but you know what? No, it doesn't. It needs that extra something that will really give it some class. I'm talking about a little wooden tray to go on top, yeah. That'll be where my phone sits hooked up to the auxiliary playing streamed music, or even if I want, playing my mini disc player, playing my Zune, playing my classic iPod, playing my XM satellite radio, playing my cassette Walkman, or playing my micro cassette tapes, which I'm hoping are full of detective case notes, playing a copy of Shawshank, or maybe just playing a CD with the Discman. That's the way I like to have a 2-disc changer. There's another big reason why I have this wooden tray here, because a stereo isn't that good if it doesn't also make a decent fingerboard and halfpipe. Oh yeah, right on. Works not too bad. It's sweet. Okay. Alright. One last trick. The old invisible loop. Oh, too sick. Okay, well, hey, lastly, let's see how this thing sounds. Pop in a CD.
Rainbows are like the sky because they're part of it.
Ah, wicked. Okay, that's it. See ya.